Hello, very good morning, everyone. Uh, I am Professor Dr. Supreet Singh from the Department of Automobile Engineering. I am here to present today a lecture upon smart vehicles. This is one of the very interesting subject of Bachelor's of Engineering in Automobile. And in this subject, student will be learning beyond four-wheelers, spark engines. He or she will learn beyond the syllabus. It is a very interesting subject. Let us start that what this subject has. This subject of smart vehicles will basically share you many of the important things. It will able to understand that what are the fundamentals of modern and intelligent vehicles, what are the types and the functions of vehicle, how you can gain the knowledge upon the selfless driver cars and evolution of the smart vehicle, from where did they came up. So in this presentation I'll be sharing up the introduction part, the modern and the intelligent vehicle, their features and different type of the smart materials. In this I'll be covering up a few of the technologies, for example in the BMW, in we can say in Audi, in Rolls-Royce. What are the various technological advancement in the LaFerrari, we can say. These brands are making smart vehicles. We will discuss that they are going to how they are going to help the drivers to make a driverless car and to drive it and to enjoy the drive. Unmanned vehicle technologies, evolving smart materials and references. Let us start with the first slide of this smart vehicles, that what are the introduction to smart vehicle. What are smart vehicles? Okay, student, in the smart vehicles are basically equipped with multi-phase interface card as well as sensor, both upon the board and externally. That means on the outside of the vehicle and in the inside, they are both equipped with the multi-interface cards. And that is being controlled by onboard vehicle radar, which could sense the traffic congestions, automatically slow down the vehicle, and it could avoid various accidents in the autonomous car. We can say a smart car. Okay, so let us see that what are the smart vehicle features. In the smart vehicle feature, there are optically glass controlled, that is on the gesture we can open the window, hand sanitizers, transparencies in the window panes and doors, automatic music play with a just flick of the finger, projector in the car, gesture control. We will go these in detail. Let us start that what is self-driving car. Basically you can see in that in the left hand of the image, a person is reading a book and the car is getting self-driven. And secondly, in the second picture you can clearly see that a woman is opening the door of the car through the gesture of her hand, and the window door is the door of the car is being opened and she can easily sit inside the car. So basically self-driving car has various features. We will go one by one through the various features. So this one is the different type of vehicles. Augmented reality cars, which sense outside road also, that what is the pedestrian coming approaching towards our car, is the vehicle moving in lane of our car in which we are sitting, in the autonomous car, is there any vehicle approaching towards it. In order to avoid accident, there are numerous number of features inside this. So let us go through that features, let us go through that safety and comfort features, which makes a normal car, a manual car, into autonomous car. So in the next slide you can clearly see in the left figure that there is a lot of congestion. How, in order to overcome this congestion, what will happen, that the autonomous car will smartly act with all its sensor. It will detect the road signals. It will detect the road signals on the car, that what are the road signal. It will display inside the car and make the vehicle move accordingly. Secondly, it will detect the zebra crossing, it will detect the pedestrian, it will detect the traffic congestion, it will detect when to turn, and it will also take when to slow down, when to fast up the car. All the that sensors have been installed. Active lane charging assist, when to change the lane, emergency status assist, pre-safe sound, active blind spot assist, active lane keeping assist, remote parking assist. There are numerous number of features which has been there inside a smart car. We will be covering that. These are just to create your curiosity that what are smart vehicles. Okay, so let us move forward. What are their functions? In the functions, they provide comfort. They no doubt they provide relaxing to the driver, to the co-passenger. They provide a lot of safety to the human. So comfort, safety, environmental performance, as it is electrically driven, so there is no chance of pollution. So it is safely. And next one, we can say it is reach the destination by the quickest route, because it is GPS activated, and the reliable production of the arrival of the time is there in the smart vehicles. Let us say I give you one polling session that you can answer me that. I need your response, that how you will answer this question. I have given a multiple choice question to you. In this, I have asked one question, that which technology behind the smart vehicle. I have given an option of e-vehicle technology, and second is of spark ignition technology. I have started one polling with you guys, and you can clearly answer it with A or B. In the A option, see, I have received one response, that is A. Yeah, A is the correct answer, absolutely correct. Uh, that this technology based is upon the e-vehicle, that is the electrically vehicle driven technology. It is not fuel ignition, it is not fuel burn technology. So let us come to the next slide. Yeah, and now the five component of the self-driving car. What are the components? It's a computer vision. We all know that it is drively through computer vision. And it is I'll just put the stylus or the pointer towards it. You can see this gesture of the lady. This gesture of the lady is allowing the your door to open. Next is the sensor fusion. It has been applied in all this part. Localization has been done throughout the car, and path control, which is done by the sensor of the car which has been installed, and control of the steering, braking, all is done. No doubt all is done through it is an autonomous vehicle, all is done automatically. So let us move to the next slide. In the next slide, you can clearly see a smart car, and you can see this pointer. It is an arrow pointing go ahead. It is giving a signal to the pedestrian that you can move forward. This car has been halted and it has applied the brake. So I can clearly show you the space where it is sent. See this space. See this space in the PPT. This is go ahead signal, you can clearly see. And I can also distinguish by the color that where are the projector being installed. And this is the region one where the projector has been installed, and in this region where the projector has been installed. Let us see these in the next slides. Okay, you can clearly see this lady is opening the car. And next, okay, now it comes to the projector. In the projector, what happens whenever the person is sitting inside the car, he or she wants that he or she wants to see the movie in the car, in the autonomous vehicle or in the smart vehicle, what he or she will do, they can just close down the door, and you can see in this picture, they can clearly see the picture on this this door through the projector, which I have shown you in the last slide. This projector will allow to show the movie of whatever music you want to see, whatever videos you want to see, that can be clearly shown by this projector inside the car. So next, I would like to share a slide which will clearly show you the automatically closing of the door. You can see as the passenger sit inside it, and you can see that the door is automatically closed. And now the next one, what happens here, this lady has just given a flick of the gesture and the door is closed. And now I come to the MCQ, again the polling session for you guys. Okay, just tell me that if I have given you a questions, what is the technology behind the opening of the door? Is that a gesture one? Is that a gesture one, or it is a remote control? So you have 30 seconds for this polling. You have a multiple choice question, and this is the question number 2, I guess. You have to answer as A or B. I again repeat the question. The polling has been started up, that what is the technology behind the opening of the door in the smart cars? Yeah, it is the, yes, correct. I have received one response A. Yeah, it is a gesture controlled file. It is a gesture control. This is the way that this car can be opened up. Yeah, let us move to the next slide. Now I come with the very beautiful technology in the BMW, which has been launched in Geneva, Germany in 2013 at an auto expo. What are the interior and exterior features in the smart cars in the BMW? Let us discuss that now. In this slide you can clearly see that there is a BMW car. In this you can see the tire technology. It has live geometry over there. It expand, it contract. I'll show you a video of the same. And if I point a pointer towards it, you can see this region, this region is basically your the region is basically, this is the alive geometry. It contract and expand whenever it takes a right turn, or that is it is moving outward, then these will expand. And when it will move towards inside, it take a shorter turn, or it move towards the left side, or the inner tire will move less, and then it will contract. And I can highlight this region to you also, if you are unable to see, that this is the region. Yeah, this is the region where, yeah, this is the region, this is all the alive geometry. You can see in the alive geometry what is there, that the movement of the expansion and the contraction of the tire can be seen. So let us move to the next slide. This is the reptile skin feature. What the tire will feel, what the tire will feel on its on the surface, on the outer surface, when the vehicle will move, the inside will also feel the same thing on the inside of the dashboard, that is the reptile skin. And next is the steering wheel. Yeah, it just on a just press of a button, we can say, it go inside whenever it is an autonomous car. But when someone is driving, yeah, it is in the manual mode, then you can clearly say, that it is coming outward in just a press, in just a press. So it is a very beautiful thing. You all know that smart vehicles have both the technologies, the both one, the autonomous and the manual mode. In this, I would like to show one more thing also to you guys, that is the notes of the your this one. We are on the slide number 25. We will continue this. Before that, just look at this. Just look at this geometry. I'm just zooming it in. Uh, in this geometry, if you can see, which has been highlighted, there are numerous number of the signals on it. There are numerous number of signals, sensors, and which could show us that what are the availability of the steering control. So we are not going into detail for this, but it has no doubt numerous number of sensors. So we were on the 21 slide. I just click on that slide, and you can see that in the steering part, after covering up the steering part, you can see the smart screen display. Now the person was in the manual mode. In the manual mode, you can see that a lot of signals on the road are there, that has been easily depicted on the windscreen of the car. That's a beautiful feature. In this feature, yeah, what is the speed on which you can travel on the car, and the travel on your smart car, what is the signals which say it is a sharp turn, then it will be depicted on your screen, your windscreen, and you can move accordingly. And what is the speed which has been depicted on the road signal, that will automatically be sensed by the car and it will move with that speed. That's a beautiful feature, I can say. So let us come to this part. Now you can see in this picture, lot of congestion is there on the traffic, but the smart car is moving very easily on this road. How? It is noting down the signal of the traffic camera, that is if red light is there. It is noting down the signals of the traffic congestion. It is noting down the lane on which it has to be followed, and braking has to be applied, speed has to be controlled, when to take a turn. All these things are being controlled by this smart vehicle. So let us move forward. I just skipped one slide. Yeah. Now you can say, just it is just a flip of seconds in which you change from manual mode to the this automatic mode. This is the automatic mode. Now in the automatic mode, you can say, you can see the blue light has been blinked up. This blue light, this blue light, this blue light will clearly show that the autonomous mode has been on, and in this zone, when it moves inside, it is the manual mode, it is the red part. So it is clear, I guess, to you guys. I can show you the vehicle also. It is a fully driverless autonomous car. Let us see one video showing the same. If I click on this, this is the car which you have just gone through. In this car, the person is sitting now inside the car, and he just pressed down the button and it shift from, it is now the manual mode because it has been turned red. Now he can see, he can clearly see the signals. He can clearly see, and this is the contraction and expansion of the tire, which I already told to you. And this one is the expansion of the tires. See the hexagonal tire structure. That's a beautiful structure. And now you can see the radiator, the LED optical fiber. This is the display on which, in the screen display, you can clearly see the road signal is being detected by the screen. Yeah. And on what speed it has to take a turn. It also avoided the big stone on the road. Now it's reptile skin feature. This is the reptile skin feature. Yeah. Now he just shifted towards, he can see the cycle guy coming, and automatically the brakes have been applied. Yeah. And he can easily pass through that road from the front of the car. Yeah. And next, you can say he want to take a driverless mode now. it is shifted to blue color. He is sitting idle now inside and relaxing and enjoying his journey. Now it is autonomous. Looked at the pedestrian, car halted up and allow the pedestrian, showed a green signal that you can move forward. Car allow the person to came outside just from the gesture. Yeah, yeah. So this is a beautiful feature because yes, guys. In this feature, I would like to add you that center of the gravity of the vehicle is lying very low. So whenever it is taking a turn, it is taking a very good turn with a full of stability. More the vehicle away from the ground, more the center of gravity, more require the stability. But it is lying towards the winding distance is very low, so it can easily control. Yeah. So this is the opening of the car, a smart vehicle. Yeah, see how beautifully designed this car is. The engineers of who are interested in automobile in the designing part can do a lot in this. See, its name is BMW Next 100. It will be launched in 2035, but its rapid prototype model have already been launched in the market. Yeah. So I guess this was enough to show the features. This was enough to show the features. Now I again move to your this part in this which we were seeing the your car or the autonomous car. In this there are very important features, very important features which were we have been covered. So let us go through again through a polling session, very important for keeping the students to be engaged. Yeah, it is a very nice feature of the Blackboard collaboration. Yeah, let us go through this polling session. Yeah. In this polling session, I have asked you the question that the tire of the BMX 100 is designed for which type? You have to answer either A or B. It is the third MCQ. So I start the MCQ. Please answer as soon as possible. So my quiz has been started. Yeah, very good. Designed for which type of? Yeah, it is designed for the designed inside in the body. Yeah, it is correctly answered. Very good, very good. Let us end this poll. Very beautifully answered. Let us move to the next slide. Yeah. So now a very beautiful car. I can say that an Renault Treasure, a smart vehicle which has been in demand for last 10 years by the various luxurious persons or the luxurious families. Let us discuss that how it works, what are the smart, because these vehicles tell us that what should be the, I can say, the quality of the smart vehicles, or these Renault cars are providing the customer not only the, I can say, the numerous number of feature, but the design and the comfort is beyond imagination. You cannot even imagine that how beautifully these cars has been designed. Okay, so it is Renault Treasure car. uh, Now you can see the hexagonal comb body work. I'll show you in detail also. This is the fibic optic lights it has. I'll explain this. What is this? Formula E drive technology. It is electrically drive technology. It does not have any fuel technology inside it. Okay, let us start. Very beautiful feature is this. It is the hexagonal honeycomb bodywork. This allows the maximum forward movement to the car with the very low drag. That is the air pressure on the front of the car has been easily handled, and we can say the car can move freely without any front pressure of the air onto the top surface of the bonnet, I can say. And now I just moved show you the aerodynamically designed carbon body. I use this pointer. Can you see this region? Wow, I cannot imagine. This is there. It has been spent the crores of rupees to provide the beauty to this region. Yeah, it is the aerodynamically designed carbon fibered body. Yeah, let us move to the see now the beautiful feature. No wires providing to the lights, but it is light laser fiber optic technology. The beautiful technology, I can say. You must have seen the vase in which at your home, in which you can see a long number of fibers and the light coming out, and the people too much like that. What is that? That is laser fiber optic technology. And this, what happened? No wires, power from the battery provided to the your fiber, and light travels in that with the speed with the optically speed. So it is called as the, you can see when it apply brakes, earlier it was in this position, and when it apply brake it change its rotation also. That means the person which is coming back or moving back will feel a very good, I can say, experience, that the person has applied the brakes. It is very beautiful thing. Yeah, very beautiful thing, I can say. Now the honeycomb entire technology. Honeycomb hexagonal structure you can see on the tire. It has two types, the softer one and the harder one. The autonomous car can shift to the both one, harder and the softer. The harder is for the long life. You know that in the our car which we are using domestically or for the commercial purpose, they are hard tires, and it is providing life to the tires. In that also there are many categories, a medium soft tire, I can say. Yeah. And secondly, in the soft rubber tire, the gripping is too much because center of the gravity is low. It has to take sharp turns, high speed. So we need a softer rubber for the gripping. Yeah. And now again a polling session for you guys to make this session quite interactive. Okay. Okay. I just create a polling session. What is the concept of car body material shape? You have a multiple choice question. This is question number 4. Either it is carbon fiber hexagonal body or the composite tetrahedron. Yeah, you have to answer. You have 30 seconds, students. Just start it out. Oh, very good. I received a response A. It is correct. It is correct that carbon fiber hexagonal honeycomb body. Yeah, it is correct. It is correct. So let us move to the next feature, that is the smart concept of pedal. In this, you know that whenever we apply, we want when the seat should be moved forward or backward, as it is in our cars, we require to apply some mechanism in order to make it move forward, and in order to move forward and backward. So what we do, we have applied this now. What is this part? This one. This is the smart concept of pedal. It was launched by in Ferrari in 2010. In this, the pedal move forward and backward. It does not, the seat is not moving. If seat is not moving, that means it is having and that means we are avoiding a lot of the material to be put up on the car. We are avoiding the various type of the unavoidable noises we are avoiding. And lastly, I would like to say that in this feature you can clearly see when the pedal will move forward, it will ease to the driver in the driving. In the car sometimes it is difficult when you move the seat to move forward or backward. There is a lot of the problem. You can you must have experienced, all of you. Yeah. And but in this case it is very easy. It is very easy. Yeah. So I have mentioned that in the slide. Now the beauty of this is the glass canopy, that is 360-degree vision inside the car. In this car, as I can make you more clear to this, if I come to the part of the BMW, this car of Renault, you can see this part, students. You can see this part, yeah. In this part, if I highlight with a pencil this region, you can see there is no, I can say, crumbler zone here. There is no pillar as it is in our cars. It is 360-degree rotation, and the vision inside is very, very beautiful. And it is red from inside. It is totally romantic, provide love, and passenger really feel, whosoever is traveling inside it really feel very royal, because the inside feature, you can see over here, you can see over here, I can make you feel this beautiful ride. If you are not sitting inside it, but you can feel this when you are sitting inside, 360-degree vision. And there are various type of themes in this car, as earlier in the first slide of this Renault Treasure, you have seen that how this car opens up, this car opens up like this one. It's like a, you can say, engagement ring cover, it is opening. So it is a theme based always. So sometime it's of mountain, sometimes it's of sparrow. Some designer feel that it to make like a cage, so it's upon the designer. So again, I would like to highlight that automobile engineers, you have lot of the scope for the designing part in the smart vehicles, yeah. So fully functional center of the gravity and no edges. what the beauty what is the beauty over here? That fully functional center gravity, no edges, no edges in the car. And what edges provide? Edges provide the hindrance. Whenever the air strike, it provides the hindrance. So beauty is that the center of gravity is lying very low, so moving, making the more stability the car on the ground. Yeah. Wow. The next feature. This is in all the smart cars, in the Rolls Royce, in the BMW, in the 100 next car. Again, in the Audi e-tron, I can say. And next I can say in that your feature in the Rolls Royce Phantom, and the Ghost feature in the Ghost model is there. And in the e-tron in Audi, BMW, and Rolls Royce, sorry, in the this one, in this car, in this Renault car Treasure. What is this feature? This is basically a luggage part. This one, you want to carry luggage, you can clearly take out this bag inside, you can clearly take out this luggage suitcase bag, and it is just coming out in a single press, guys. Can you believe that? And it is very lightweight. It helps the passengers to take their weight. And it is, do you know that where it is located? Because engine is not there in the car. So where it is located? It is located in the part where engine was located. So we have utilized the space in the smart cars, that where the location should be there. So that location has been used. We can say, guys, this location has been used. So it is very beautiful thing. You can see that it is a very beautiful, and we can say space has been utilized. The cost has been reduced, and weight of the vehicle has been reduced, because engine is not there, it is getting the power from the electric. So these features are very, very beautiful. So I would like to show you one video of the smart vehicles. Just if you can see one video of the autonomous car, which I would like to conclude these features, I can say. uh, just look at this video. So guys, these are the three type of sensor: lidar sensor, radar sensor, ultrasonic sensor, and the camera in the front, which is being used, I can say, by the different companies. So please note it down: ultrasonic sensor, radar sensor, lidar sensor, and the front camera. Similarly, at the back, this provide us the path. Yeah. So guys, you have seen that a very beautiful feature is there. Well, that what happens that whenever the autonomous vehicle is moving, at what happened at that time? At that time, we can see that it has detected using lidar, radar. That is, whenever the light fall on the object, it reflects back and it gains up the signals. So in the pointer, if I'll highlight with the pencils, you can see this region. You can see this region at the top. There is lidar and radar, both one. And if I talk about this region of the tire, yeah, this one in the tire, what happened, it measure the distance, the pi, d, and n, that is the diameter, the revolution of the tire, it measures that. And that is quite helpful for the GPS. For example, the place where the car has to go, it is inside a tunnel, or it is a very steep place, a narrow place. At that time, it will measure the distance, because car know its own distance, and it will measure its distance whether it can go in that region or not. So guys, this is a too much smart feature. That is why these cars are called as the smart vehicles. This is the reason. This is the reason why they are called as smart vehicles. So let us come to the functions. So safety, environmental performance, comfort, and the time safety. So now I have already explained few sensors with you: lidar, that is the light detection and the ranging sensor; video cameras; radar sensors, which are in the front, which monitor the vehicle surroundings, pedestrians, and number of vehicles; and central computer analyzes all the central inputs, applies this, and this is the region of the central computer. The this one, guys, this one, yeah. So audiometer sensors are over there, ultrasonic sensors are there, global positioning system are there. Lidar, you know, that light detection, it is the monitor the vehicle surrounding, road, vehicle, pedestrian. So video cameras, no doubt there are numerous number of cameras has been applied. You can see this position on which I am keeping my pointer over here. So I am just clearing the things, and you can see this lidar region. Yeah. So guys, this is quite a costly thing, no doubt. In India, we can say it is in crores. The famous actor Amitabh Bachchan is having Phantom model of the Rolls Royce, and it is no doubt a luxurious car. It is not a top model of the smart car, but it has smart features inside it. So it is of 4 crores. I can say Sanjay Dutt is using Rolls Royce Ghost model. So there are numerous number of people on in India also who are using this. Guys, now I would like to show like a human driver. We need to able to see the environment around us, whether we are looking ahead for the traffic, read the road sign. Similarly, the computer vision, how a car sees the environment, that how this I take up I take this region, how this car I take this shape, how much this car is at a distance, what is this signal, huh? And this there is one pedestrian over here, what is that distance, what is the if it want to take a turn, what is the the radius of the turn. So these things are the, I can say, the environment which this study is being done. So guys, this was sensor fusion, which I have explained you in the last slide. Localization, path planning has also been explained. Control. Once the figure out the path, the car has to able to steer the wheel. The only challenge is in the human. It is we drive it, and in this autonomous, it is drive on its own. So guys, unmanned vehicle, unmanned vehicle on uncrewed vehicle without a person, self driverless car. So which I have already explained, that it has remote controlled unmanned UGV, ground vehicle, unmanned aerial vehicle, unmanned combat aerial vehicle, and medium altitude long endurance and unmanned aerial vehicle. So guys, in this also I have already explained that drones are there, but we are confined to the area of automobile. We will be covering up the various model of the cars, BMW, Renault, I can say your Ferrari, your Audi. These types of cars we will be covering up. So guys, this is a question for you all. What are smart vehicles? Why they are called smart vehicles? So these are homework question for you. It has been in the course content also for you guys available. These are references for which from which I have taken my PPT. So thank you guys. For any queries, you can email me to dr.supreet Singh 33 at the rate of gmail.com. So guys, I have shared you the syllabus also, the notes, and a PPT. And now I am shifting to the course content. Now I want to show you the course content, guys. So I guess you have clearly seen how these things happen. Now let us move to the course content. I am sharing the screen with you guys. uh, you can see now the course content. I guess screen is visible to you. In this, in the unit 1, I have 2 chapters. In these 2 chapter, I have kept chapter 1.1, 1.2. 1.1 is all about the car study of BMW, Audi, Ferrari, these things. And in the chapter 2, the sensor study is there. We will go that. You will be getting quizzes, assignments time to time. You can share, you can see the links of the video which I have shown to you are also available in your portal to see you. So guys, thank you so much for attending the lecture. It was really a very good class, and a very perfect lecture listened by you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.